Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Tanctics here, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to properly prep your gun and paint it. Now, this is just the outer layer. This is granted that you have taken the gun apart and you're ready to spray paint it. Okay? So I want to say for one thing is I'm sorry for if you hear a buzzing noise in the background. I'm in the garage and there's water going into the pool and it's so humid out here, so give me a break. Now I'm just going to talk about what's the materials you're going to need. You're going to need some safety gloves if you want to not get paint all over you. Look how much paint are on these things. You're going to need some paper towels. You're going to need the sandpaper. You're going to need spray paint, and you don't really need primer because now paint is paint and primer together. And you're going to need some rubbing alcohol. Also, you're going to need, of course, the gun. Pretend this is the gun. This is about the same metal that a gun's going to be made up of, okay? So basically, I'm going to show you how to clean it, clean the gun up, or the outer part of it that you're about to paint, and then properly spray paint it, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your awesome sandpaper, okay? And you just want to kind of go over the surface. That's all. This helps to clean it up a little bit and give the paint a grip so that it won't fall off when you're, using it. So I just do a little bit of it, make sure it's nice and awesome. Now the reason we clean it with some water or rubbing alcohol after this is because it's going to have a lot of residue and we want to get rid of that residue. So I'm just doing it very quick just to show you. Then you take your awesome rubbing alcohol, get the 91%, it says 91%, from CVS Pharmacy preferably. Spray it on there like that. Take your paper towel and literally just wipe off the rubbing alcohol. This way you get all the residue off, and I apologize, I just painted something, so there's some crap going to go on this thing. It's orange, but it's okay because we're going to be using orange. Alright, boom. See how it's nice? It's pretty clean. Now I would do this and make sure it's clean and you're actually, make sure it's really clean once you're actually going to paint a real gun. Okay? And we'll just pretend that's nice and clean. I know it's a little not perfect, but it's alright. Okay, so next what you do is you take your spray paint and you're going to make sure you shake it up for about 30 seconds to a minute. I already did it, but I'm going to do it again because I like to. Alright, and then you're going to spray like this in quick bursts. That way it doesn't clump together. Now another thing I want to say is you probably are going to have to do two different coats or 2 or 3 different coats depending on how you want it to look, but I wouldn't go too much because you don't want to make it too thick of paint. And then you just do that. So what's going to happen is it's going to dry up. There might be a couple of bubbles in there, air bubbles, just from, it just settling, and then you just spray over it again and it should go away. This is actually settling pretty good. Also, once you're done painting one side of it, make sure you wait about, I'd say 30 minutes to an hour, depends on where you live. Like I live in a humid climate, which is Florida, so it takes longer to dry. However, once you think it's dry, then you put the next paint on, the next coat on. That's about it. So the reason I'm making this video is because I'm going to start really painting guns, and I just want to give you guys extra videos for tutorials for when you're going to, just to help you out. And I really hope you enjoy this video, and it was a very quick video. I'll try to keep them quick as much as possible, and I'll see you later. Bye.